Okay, so you're investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about T2 Biosystems. So ticket symbol is TTOO. So this stock is sitting at $3.10. So on Friday, it went up 30%, and on the week, it's up 55%, and on the month, it's up over 100%. So yeah, a lot of people in my Discord brought the stock to my attention. So finally, I'm going to do a quick stock analysis and also talk past predictions for this stock. And also, this stock was up 30% on Friday. So is this stock still a buy next week? But yeah, guys, before we get into the video, please smash that like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow this million-mile journey. And also my free Discord link, so free Discord is in the description, so join the Discord. So we've started the 10k challenge, whereby I put 1k into a new portfolio, and we're gonna grow that 1k to 10k by the end of the year. So potentially you can do the same thing with $100 to 1k or 1k to 10k. So yeah, use my Webull link down below, deposit $100 and you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. Then you can start your 10k challenge, whereby I can turn that $100 to 1k. So under Discord, I tell you what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I buy, when I sell. So you follow the 10k challenge and you can potentially 10x your investment by the end of the year. So yeah, follow the Discord, subscribe down below and follow this million-mile journey and start your 10k challenge. But yeah, guys, let's get into this video. So first of all, let's just talk about what this company does. So T2 Biosystems, ticket symbol TTOO, is dedicated to saving life, reducing cost of healthcare by empowering clinicians to efficiently treat patients faster. So this company has a wide range of products that's approved and out on the market, and also they've got more products in the pipelines that's not been yet approved. So potentially getting those products approved will be a huge catalyst for this company. So this company does have a product that potentially could come out in the market, and that's going to add to their revenue. So yeah, so this company, their main product as of now is a device, a technology that's used to test for C19, so the pandemic C19 infection. So I can't say the actual, so I say C19 or just pandemic, so C19 infection, C19 virus, because YouTube might demonetize the video or something like that, so I can't mention the actual. But yeah, guys, you understand. So yeah, so the main technology is the C19 diagnostic test, which detects the C19 virus. And news came out on Thursday that their technology is also able to detect the new strain, which was found in Brazil. So this was huge because, as you know, the C19 is mutating and also developing, and now their technology is also able to detect 2 new strains for this C19 virus. So yeah, that was huge. That was big news. Then on Friday, we saw the stock shoot up 30% after that news came out. But yeah, before we get into is this stock a buy and also price predictions, let's take a look at the company's expected earnings for the next quarter, which is Q4, which I believe is in March. So this company expects a revenue of 7.8 million, which includes a product revenue of 5.8 million, which represents a 155% increase and also a 274% increase year on year. So that is amazing. So this device basically tripled the company's revenue and product revenue, so tripled revenue in just a year. And also for their full 2020 revenue, the company expects 18.1 million, and this represents a 118% increase year on year. So year on year, in terms of total revenue, this company has doubled their revenue. So potentially the next earnings can even be a major catalyst for this company, because this is amazing. So in a year's time, this company has doubled their total expected or total reporting earnings. And also when you look at their financials, they've got $52 million in cash as of December 2020, and this company, looking at the financials, there's nothing worrying about the financial. They are in a small debt, but I believe they're now looking to pay that back slowly, so that's not something to worry too much about. So in terms of this company being a penny stock, I thought the financials is good, and also revenue is growing year on year. This is a substantial growth, and as you know, the pandemic pandemic is not slowing down. So we can see this growth keep going for 2021 and potentially into 2022. So that is huge. But yeah, let's talk about a future catalyst that might take the stock up back to $5 and even $6. So as you know, this virus is mutating and is developing. So the C19 virus is mutating and developing. This pandemic is not slowing down yet. So potentially, if their product, their technology is able to detect more strains of this virus as it mutates, then that's going to be a huge catalyst, because not all the technologies or tests out there can detect these new strains, but this company already can detect 2 new strains. So if they can detect more strains as they come out, so more variants of this C19 virus, then that's going to be a huge catalyst for this stock going to $5 and going to $6, because it's going to heavily contribute towards their revenue and also towards sales. So that's going to be huge. But yeah, now let's talk about price action and price prediction. So this stock was trading at $5 to $9 in 2018, so just 2 to 3 years ago. So imagine now the company is reporting earnings that's double the previous year. So this company is basically in the forefront of this pandemic. They're doubling revenue. Their cash flow is good. They're not in heavy debt. Then this stock was a $9 stock a couple of years ago, and now compare this to the earnings now, and it's at $3.10. So I believe this stock has major room to keep going and keep growing. But yeah, so let's talk price predictions. So I believe shorter term, this stock can potentially get to $5. And with the technology they have, I thought longer term, by the end of the year, this could be a $8 stock. Because like I said, this C19, this pandemic, the C19 virus is only developing and mutating, and that's going to become more used for this product. So this company is going to keep growing for this year at least. So we can see the stock price get back to $8 by the end of the year. But shorter term, I can see the stock going even to $5, maybe by March when the earnings get reported. But yeah, guys, so for anyone looking to get into this stock, my advice is don't chase the stock in this $3 cost range. Ideally, you want to catch this in the $2 cost range. So if you get a dip, then that's when you want to catch this. So potentially next week it could go up huge, but it could also dip. But if it does keep going up, don't chase the stock. Wait for it to dip or wait for the stock price to consolidate. Because if you take, for example, ZOMEDICA went to $1.40 a couple of weeks ago, and as it was going up, people bought chasing it, buying it at $1.30, $1.40. Then that same week, it took a substantial dip and went back to $1, then went back to 98 cents, and it was in that 90 something cent cost range for about 2 weeks, and people were down on their investment because you chased the stock. So you don't wait for it to consolidate. You thought it will keep going. You can't predict the market. All you could do is time when to get in and get in at the right time, so you don't lose money and you can capitalize on your gain. So yeah, my advice is wait for a dip in the $2 cost range. Is a nice place to start building your position. If it dips further, then just add to your position. But yeah, don't chase this stock. It has a lot of potential, but it's not worth chasing, because you could potentially be down on your investments for a long time. And I know a lot of you guys that's probably watching this video are new to investing, new to the stock market, so you haven't learned how to have patience and how to hold a stock, because you're used to penny stock going up 100%, 200% in a week or two. But in this market, it's patience that's going to make you a lot of money. Take OCUGEN, for example. People sold off when it went to $5 on Friday. After hours, this stock is up like 70% and it's sitting at $8. So be patient and hold by the dips, then just wait for the catalyst to kick in, and when it does, the stock will go up huge. So you need to believe in your stock. That's why I always say the two main ways of losing money in the stock market is, one, by investing in companies you know nothing of, and also two, by not being patient, the lack of patience. That's the 2 ways of losing money in this stock market. But yeah, guys, that's my personal advice. So you want to get the stock below $2 or wait for the stock to consolidate. And when it does, even if it goes to $4 and it consolidates in that $4 cost range, then buy in and hold and wait for the catalyst to kick in. Then you can see the stock at $5, $6, $7 and potentially $8 by the end of the year, and you can potentially double your investment. So yeah, guys, as always, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. And don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube. So please don't buy or sell a stock because I said to do so. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock in the stock market. But yeah, guys, join my free Discord, link is in the description, and also start your 10k challenge whereby you can potentially turn $100 to 1k by the end of the year. And use my Webull link, open an account, deposit $100, and you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. So that puts you ahead of the game. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video.